Hello knitters, I would like to show you and explain how I knitted my winter warm vest. This is wrong side and this is front side. Cast on I made with needles. This is lesson 2. The waist strip is double knitting, ribs 1 by 1, 12 rows with fluffy warm yarn. Fluffy warm yarn and basic red yarn. Lesson 7. The front side and back side I knitted with ribs 1 by 1 with this insertion of a stockinette row from face side. After every 3 rows of ribs 1 by 1. Lesson 16. To diminish quantity of rows near the sleeve band, I used lesson 22. To make a sleeve band, I used lesson 20 with channel for elastic band here and here. To make neck band, I used lesson 6. And to knit strips near the zipper, I used usual simple stockinette knitting, 4 strips, face side and front side. Seems that is all. For knitting this vest, I used my 130 pegs Ukrainian hand knitting loom. For back side and front side, I make 98 stitches. Time of knitting, front side I use 2 settings, and back and front side and back side I use 2 settings. This is knitting of winter warm vest.